The Sagrada Familia in Barcelona is an iconic masterpiece that attracts tourists from all over the world. This breathtaking architectural marvel has become a symbol of the city and a must-see for travelers. For those planning a trip to Barcelona, a visit to the Sagrada Familia should be at the top of your list. Its impressive beauty and historical significance make it a major tourist attraction. The landscape around the Sagrada Familia is as impressive as the cathedral itself. The tall spires and intricate facades create a stunning visual spectacle against the backdrop of the city. Visitors can explore the beautiful gardens and parks nearby, offering a peaceful respite from the bustling city streets. A visit to the Sagrada Familia is an unforgettable experience, showcasing Barcelona's rich cultural heritage. Whether you are an architecture enthusiast or simply looking for an unforgettable travel experience, a visit to the Sagrada Familia should be at the center of your itinerary when exploring Barcelona.